Hey guys, so here is how to farm the Bubblemaps Airdrop. This is an airdrop like hacking. I don't know if most of you are familiar with it, but for those that are familiar with hacking did numbers, like when I mean numbers, in thousands of dollars for free without doing so much tax, and it was based on invite only. On my Telegram channel, I sent out some invitation for people to join. Some people took it serious and some allowed the invitation to be there till now. And guess what? The invitation is now currently being disabled. This is it. I just hope you see invites are temporarily disabled. So meaning that you can no longer accept invitation for now. So congratulations if you've accepted your invite, like you've accepted invitation before now. Then you can start farming the points so that you can earn. I just do hope they will enable this back. And if they don't, then that's all. There's nothing we can do about it. That's what it means to be an early bird. Like you take things seriously the moment you are given the opportunity to. Some people will receive something and they will just go and lie down as if it's nothing. So now to farm the points, and this is what you need to do. Come to this Bubblemaps, and you can see search token, explore token, all of this. Scroll to any of this token, anyone you want to do, but I would prefer a token that has a market cap already. So I'll choose this. You choose any, but just decide to choose that dog something. So now I'll just allow it to load. And here is it. Here is what we have here. I'll click on this blue icon here, this blue circle. Then click on show all transfers. This is the task to do to farm points. For those that have accepted invite, proceed to start doing this task so that you can start earning points. I think they just finished their maintenance, so hopefully they start recording the points for users. So for those that are accepted, you've accepted invites already, proceed to start farming these points. Just follow what I'm about to do here. So I'll just let it load. Now it's showing add 50 addresses to the map. I'll click on add. Now it's loading. So I'll allow it to load so that the 50 addresses can be added to the map before cancelling. Now it has loaded. You can see it has stopped rolling. Then I'll click on this cancel. Now you see how this thing clustered up after I clicked on add 50 addresses. So I can still come back to click on any of this. Let me just click on any circle. Then go back to click on add show all transfers. Then add 12 addresses to the map. It has added, it has stopped rolling. Then I click on cancel. You see it has clustered up again and again. Then let me see again if there is any adding. Now it's showing me supernode addresses that have history of okay. That means there is no address to add to this. Then you come back to this pencil icon, this magic nodes. You see add 26 magic nodes. I'll click on it. Okay, let me just wait till the icon shows. Okay, now it's loading. It's adding up. Still loading. I'll just have to wait. So this is how you have to, this is what you need to do. Okay, I think it just came up. I'll click on add node. Add nodes rather. Now it's loading, it's just adding up the nodes. Okay, now it has clustered up more than the initials. You can see no more magic node to add. So let me see if I still have an address to add there. So let's see. So what you are doing here is basically analyzing this token. You are seeing hard address, show transfers, all of those things. You are analyzing it, and this is where this is how you go about the analysis. It's not a technical analysis, so it's just like, I don't know, how am I supposed to say it? So you are saying add 16 addresses to the map. I'll click on add 16 again. So you keep doing this. I don't know for how long, but you can keep on doing this for different tokens to end points. So let's hope they do their analysis, they do their accumulation to see how much points you've earned at the end of this whole thing. And I do hope it will cook like hacking, because that's just the prayer right now. So we are still on it. This is taking longer. Okay, I think it's almost done. Now it's done. Then I can cancel. And let me see if I have node to add. So it has added more. Okay, no magic node to add. So I can come to this link icon here, get permalink. It should show a notification. Okay, permalink copy to clipboard. So now I can go back to my account dashboard. This account, then you click on this account, then click on this shared maps, network. Then the arrow has to change so that I can click on that shared map. Okay. So now you see this dog cast that I just added, it has been added now, and you can see. So I did this earlier this morning, and this is the one I just did. So I can now proceed to do another one. I can come back here and still look for another token to add. Is it loading? Okay. So basically, this is what you need to do. So let's see for this Benji if it will add. Or maybe it's talking from this. So guys, basically this is what you need to do on this platform, these Bubblemaps, to gain points. Okay, that was active too. So let's see if I can add this as well. I'm just trying to do different ones. Okay, click on show transfers. Add 13 addresses. And guys, you can stake your GT on Gate.io Startup Mining for BXX protocol. Stake GT holders for 1 million year-end bonus. Stake the GT coin. If you are holding GT coin, you can proceed to Gate.io Startup Mining page and stake your GT any amount, 0.1, 1 pieces, less than 1 pieces, any amount. Stake to earn the BXX protocol token by staking your GT on Gate.io exchange. And if I yet to sign up on Gate.io, you can check the registration link in the description box of this video. Sign up and complete your KYC 1 and 2. So now we can proceed with this. You click on cancel. Now it has clustered up. You are seeing this magic node, add 95. So I'll just click on this 9. This one has a lot of nodes already. It's loading, it's adding. So that's it. So guys, basically this is what you need to do on these Bubblemaps to earn their points, to farm their points. So it has added, you see, it has clustered up again. And this one is showing me no magic node to add. Let's see. I think it's slow somehow. I just want to be sure there is no magic node to add. So let me click off. Jeez, how is this icon? Let me click on this link. I want to be sure it has added. Okay. So let me go back to no magic node. So let me come back here and see. So now this was added as well. So I've just done it. So as simple as that, this is the simple task you have to do on these Bubblemaps to earn points. Do it for as long as you can, I think. And hopefully we print Lambo from here. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. And if you're yet to join my Telegram community, check the link to my Telegram channel in the description box of this video or the pin post in the comment section. Also check the link to sign up on Get.io exchange in the description box of this video. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.